The race to acquire TikTok is ramping up after President Trump signed an executive order on Friday forcing ByteDance to sell its U.S. business within 90 days. Well, Oracle is now said to be considering a bid for the video sharing app after approaching potential partners. Its entry could challenge Microsoft's bargaining position. For more on all of this, let's get to Alex Webb, who's Bloomberg Opinion's European tech columnist. Alex, thank you so much for joining us. When you look at this race, is it Oracle and someone else and Microsoft, or is it just going to be the two?
So it seems as though Oracle, according to some of the reporting, has approached some other firms, most notably venture capital firms, about possibly doing a joint bid. Sequoia is a company that has been named as a huge venture capital company on the West Coast. Clearly, it is going to be an expensive acquisition. 20 to 50 billion is the number that has been mooted. But interestingly, of course, Oracle is sitting on quite a lot of cash of its own. It has a net cash. Well, no, I mean, it has cash at hand of something like 43 billion. So it might even be able to fund such a deal off its own balance sheet if it wanted to.
Alex, who does it make more sense to acquire it? Does it make more sense for an Oracle, from Microsoft, or someone else?
I think it's more of a logical fit for Microsoft, given that they are already in social media with LinkedIn, and they have an advertising business through both LinkedIn and Bing, and this helps sort of build a new sort of beast in advertising. At the moment, online ads are dominated by Google and Facebook, with Amazon taking an increasing share. Microsoft has a little bit around the edges, but nothing significant. So this would really create a sizable competitor in that space. It's hard to see quite how this fits strategically with what Oracle does, which is basically databasing and cloud software for the enterprise. And that might mean technically they're able to pull it out of the TikTok, pull TikTok out of ByteDance, the parent, but they would have to build a whole new leg to their business in order to monetize it.